Hey YouTube, it's your girl Spechel Nicole. Spechel is my first name. Spechel is my first name. Yes, that's my first name. Anyway, it's your girl Spechel Nicole and I'm back with another video. In this video, I am going to talk all about how I am trying to battle my dry lock issue. So my plans for tonight, I am going to give myself a steam treatment and do a little moisturizing with some oil, and we're going to see how that goes if I do that on a more consistent basis. So right now I'm showing you my hair after a long day. You can see that it is stiff. Well, she moves, but it's just I don't know, it could be softer and not stiff. Let's talk about why it's important to know your hair before you start your lock journey if you are DIYing. It's important to know your hair's porosity. So my hair, I have low porosity hair where it does not absorb the moisture right away. If I was to spray my hair right now, you would just see the water sit on top. I will demonstrate that for you actually right now. So if I take my spray bottle here and I spray my hair, you will see the water just sit on top of my hair. And you see the water just sits just like this. It does not absorb, it just sits on top of my hair. So that means my cuticles are closed and they are not absorbing any of that moisture, and that could lead to my hair being more dull, being more dry than someone who has normal to high porosity hair. Another way to know your hair's porosity is to do the porosity test. I've actually never done this. This is enough to let me know that my hair is low porosity. So another way you can test your hair's porosity is by taking a strand. So I have a strand. Can y'all even see the strand? Well, there it is. I have a strand of hair and you place it into water, and if it doesn't sink, then you have low porosity hair. If it sinks, you have high porosity hair, I think. If it stays in the middle, it's normal. I don't know. Don't quote me. But I'm going to take the hair. I have some water here. I don't know if y'all will be able to see. And oh look, my hair just sits on top. It's actually not even hair right here. Just sitting up top. So I have low porosity hair. So that means I need a little extra care. Change the methods of how I moisturize. I've always had low porosity hair. I always had to do a little extra work to keep my loose natural hair moisturized. So the same is probably going to be said for my lock journey. So tonight what we're going to do is going to try steaming my locks like I mentioned earlier, and adding some oil and letting that set in and see if that helps my hair to maintain moisture. But I'm gonna take a shower and I'll be right back. Alright, so shower is done. I don't know if you can tell a slight difference with my hair, but it's always softer after a shower. And then of course the bottom is wet. I don't shower with the shower cap on because I do want the steam to hit my hair and kind of liven it up a little bit. So we are about to get this nice relaxing steaming session going. My steamer that I'm going to be using is actually a facial steamer. If y'all want to see another or want to see a skincare video using or incorporating the facial steamer, just let me know down in the comments. Facial steamer I got from Amazon on Prime Day, so that's how long I've had it, and I will link it down below. You want to get it. I think I only spent like $16.99 for it, and then it comes with this cup that I put my water in. Alright, as you can see, we're steaming and she is ready to go. So I'm just going to hold it to my hair and just let the steam hit it. I actually think I'm gonna spray my hair. Let's get it damp first. And then now. Y'all, so the water ran out, but already, like, my scalp even feels amazing. I did spray my hair. I didn't at first, and then I sprayed my hair to have water up there so that once the steam opens the cuticles of my hair up, they can actually have something to absorb in. So once I did that and had it going, like, my hair isn't even feel, it's a little damp, but it's not that much. It feels super soft and refreshed, and yeah, I feel like I got new scalp. So I want to do one more round of it, and then I'm probably gonna let it just hit my face, you know, why not, since we here, and then we'll move on. So I'm gonna start the second round of steam now. Do y'all see this? Like, I feel like my hair even increased in length just from that. It feels like heavier, it's like alive. It also looks shinier just from the steam. My scalp feels amazing. Amazing. Like, do y'all see the movement? She wasn't doing all of this. And it's not even, now it's dry. So like, I could probably do this, I won't say every night, but I could probably do it like once a week before I go to bed and not have to worry about going to bed with the wet head, because my hair is actually dry now. Besides the, no, that even feels dry. It feels good. Like, it feels amazing. And then it feels really good because my hair is like freshly retied, so it's like the steam is going directly to my scalp. Of course the camera doesn't do any justice, but how do I look? Do I look hydrated? Yes. Alright, so now I'm going to go in and seal in this nice moisture that I have using the Talia Wahid African Healing Oil. If you are not new here on my channel, you know I started my lock journey using this oil, and I thought, why not go back to the basics, because it worked so well for me then. I'm sure it will work wonders for me now. So I'm going to just put a little on my scalp. It's too much oil because I did use some oil earlier today, and I also ain't trying to rub my scalp too much and frizz up my fresh hair, but I just want some on my scalp. And I'm gonna take a little in my palm and I'm gonna rub it through my hair. much all I'm going to do for this new moisture or hydration routine I'm trying out. I think I'm going to either, if I don't do it weekly, I'm going to do it bi-weekly and see what kind of effects I get from it. I mean, just off this first night, my hair does feel really, really great and moisturized, or hydrated, I should say. And I like how it's feeling. It feels soft. It feels alive and rejuvenated. So yeah, I am going to try to do this once a week, or at least once every 2 weeks if I don't do it once a week. I can't even stop looking at myself over there, because who is she with this hair? Do y'all know where we started? Look at this. All this is covering my ear. Y'all want a lens check? Like, look at us. Look, collarbone. Who is she? But yeah, I'm going to probably throw some little braids in my hair real quick and call it a night. So that's all I have for y'all tonight. Until the next time. Bye.